Good morning, Math Savvies. Welcome back to another video. Now, today we'll be solving a join me up logic puzzle that I had you try out earlier. If you couldn't get the concept, that's okay. We're going to go through it right now all together. Now, for this puzzle, we were told that we can only use the numbers 1 through 7. But the challenge was that we cannot use any consecutive numbers, which means that we cannot use any number that comes right after each other or right before it. So with that in mind, let's start. The best way to go at this problem is to start in the middle. We'll start with the number 7. Let's write down all the numbers that are not consecutive to 7 that we can use here. So we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and can we use 6? No, we cannot, because 7 is consecutive to the number 6. It's one more than it. We cannot use the number 6 for any of these spots. But we can use any of these 5 numbers. Let's go ahead and put the number 2 on top here. Now that there's a 2 in this spot, the numbers that go here and that go here needs not to be consecutive to either 2 or to 7. So what numbers can we not use? We cannot use 1, we cannot use 3, and we cannot use 6. Again. So the only numbers that we have that we can use are 4 and 5. So let's go ahead and put a 4 here, and we'll put the 5 up here. Now, the number that goes in this circle over here cannot be consecutive to either 4, to either 7, or to 5. So what numbers can we use? Well, can we use 6? No. Again, we cannot use 6. 6 is consecutive to 5, and 7 is consecutive to 6. Can we use 3? No. Again, we cannot use 3 because 4 is consecutive to 3, which means the only number left to use is the number 1. So let's go ahead and put 1 in that spot. Now, we only have the outer 2 circles left. Over here, we need to find a number that is not consecutive to 5 or to 1. So once again, we cannot use the number 6 because it's consecutive to 5, which means we'll have to use the number 3. Let's put 3 over here. And the only spot left for 6 to go to is in this circle. So we'll put her over there. And that's how you solve a join me up puzzle. Of course, there are many other ways to solve this, as there could be many different combinations that you could use. But the idea is that as long as you're not connecting any number with its consecutive number, the puzzle will work. I hope this helped you guys. And if you're still having troubles, practice, because practice will only get you better at this. Now, see you in the next video.